Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. I'm happy for today and thank you for your attention. Today, I will present a project proposal entitled Revitalizing the Coastal Ecosystem through Mangrove Rehabilitation and Community Education on Tunda Island, Banten. But before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Novia Zahra. My student number is 2402033014. My project title, Revitalizing the Coastal Ecosystem Through Mangrove Rehabilitation and Community Education on Tunda Island, Banten. Project course, Upper Intermediate Oral Communication Skills. Lecturer Dr. Agatha Lisa. Target beneficiaries, local residents, coastal community in Pulau Tunda. Project location in Pulau Tunda, Serang, Banten. Project duration 8 weeks of preparation and 1 day implementation. Okay, first is background. Tunda Island in Serang Regency, Banten, faces a serious threat to the sustainability of its mangrove ecosystem, which is vital to the stability of the coastal environment and the livelihoods of local communities. The destruction of the mangrove area is caused by unsustainable development, destructive fishing practices, and pollution from domestic and industrial waste. This damage has led to a decline in natural protection from operation, a reduction in habitat for various marine species, and a decrease in income for fishermen who depend on this ecosystem. Therefore, planned rehabilitation efforts and increased public awareness are needed as key steps to restore the ecological and economic function of this area. Project objective: to conduct ecological and structural mangrove restoration in critical areas of Tunda Island in order to withstand abrasion and increase biodiversity. To increase the understanding and activity of local residents, especially fishermen and the younger generation, in mangrove conservation and sustainable environment management practice, developing relevant and easy to understand educational methods for the local community through training, workshop, and innovative communication media, building a collaborative network between the government, fishing communities, and NGOs in sustainable coastal to management. Detailed activity plan preparation past months 1 until 2. First is site survey and data collection, mapping the current condition and mangrove, measuring environmental parameters such as temperature, salinity, dissolved oxygen, and sedimentation levels. Second is coordination meeting, initial discussion with local government officials, fishing communities, and environmental NGOs to align visions and develop a joint work plan. Third, training for volunteers and communities, basic education on mangrove conservation, planting planting techniques and restoration management. 4. Development of educational media. Development of models, posters, and educational videos to be used in outreach and education activity through digital platform and direct community engagement. Rehabilitation implementation, month 3. Mangrove planting, marking critical points that require new mangrove planting and replanting damaged areas, involving fishermen and local residents as the main workforce, as well as conservation agents preparing support structures and seedlings of mangrove species suitable for the local environment, such as bakau, api-api, and other coastal species. And monitoring and documentation, daily observation of seedling growth, environmental consideration, and recording of cycle and biological change in the field. Post-rehabilitation and assistances. Month 4 onwards. First, periodic monitoring. Periodic observation of seedling growth and environmental condition with the involvement of the community as the main assistance. Second is capacity building, advanced training for residents on mangrove cultivation and post-restoration ecosystem management. Third is conservation community development, forming tourism awareness and environmental conservation groups that actively manage mangrove areas independently and sustainably. Output and expectation. The establishment of an effective and sustainable mangrove rehabilitation model on Tunda Island. Increased public awareness of the importance of preserving coastal ecosystem marked by active participation and long-term commitment. The opening of conservation-based economic opportunities through ecotourism and sustainable research utilization. And last, the realization and the realization of strong collaboration between the government, fishing communities, and NGOs in coastal area management. The conclusion is this project is not only an ecological rehabilitation effort, but also a movement to the coast but also a movement to foster social and economic sustainability in the coastal region of Banten through collaboration, education, and community empowerment. It's hoped that Sunda Island will once again become a productive and sustainable ecosystem that supports a better quality of life for the local community. Okay, that's all my presentation. Thank you for attention. If you any question, please ask me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.